Hi guys, welcome back to Design Cartel, and this is Masood Ali. And yeah, in today's video I'll be making Instagram like something like that interaction where you see double tapping and then you get the interaction done. So yeah, let's begin with the today's video. So I'll be using a artboard iPhone 12 Pro Max, and I'll be slightly changing the background of it so that it is visible. Yeah, so this is there. Okay, the background is not visible, so I'll make it a little white, and I'll put a box, maybe image or something it could be. So this is there, and this is our image. So what I'll do is I'll get an image instead. I'll go to plugins. I'll go to this. What do you say, unsplash, or maybe user profile. So once I get that, I'll randomly generate and insert it, so it gets generated. So if I actually like this, so you have a photo credits who is given. So this plugin, I've made a video. I'll be sticking a, what do you say, the I button here. I'll be putting the link here. So this is our image. I have this one, and there could be this interaction could be used even in the e-commerce website. So I'll be making both the designs as well. I'll include both here itself. So we have a circle here with let's get back to another plugin, that is icons for design. Okay, now that, okay, icons for design. So once there is that, I'll just put a heart. Okay, so HEART. Okay, so I have this heart, so I'll be taking this. So once that is there, I will take this, put it in center and make it smaller so that it fits in. And by keeping this and this here, I'll make this white with maybe a little opacity. I'll reduce the opacity, make it no, actually, if it is small, I'll just make it to 0 opacity, but we will have our image here, and I'll give a border here instead of this, and the border will be pinkish red, this color, and I'll add the color here so that I might need it in the future. So I'll just go to my bookmarks assets. I'll just add the color. So I have the color added here. So once this is there, I'll even add the color same. I'll use the same color here as well. So that is there, and then I bring this artboard, I make this big. I will select. Okay, so before I even make a copy of it, I'll just have to make sure that image and the heart is in the center, in the mid. So once that is done, I'll just delete the artboard, make a duplicate copy of this, and select this, unselect the image, make it bigger, give a opacity of maybe this much, and once this is done, you make another copy of it. You again shrink it back and make the opacity 0, and give this heart a fill so that it looks like it has been liked, indication showing that. So now we'll go to prototype tab. So once I click on this, I will make this here, and I'll just select the artboard. You will have to select the artboard. I'll tell you the reason in a bit why you will have to select an artboard. So once you're done that, you can even click and go back to this old position. So once I've selected this, I have this interaction on tab, transition, auto animate, ease in, ease out. Okay, and from here, when I've selected the artboard, from here I will have an interaction called time. But in the same way, here there is no time, because it's not artboard changing. So there is a reason behind that. So once I've selected the artboard, I have time, and I'll change the time to maybe 0.3 seconds. Once that is done, I will get back again to this, and from here it is again going back there in. Okay, I'll give transition to auto animate, ease in, ease out. Once that is done, I will just play this once and I'll show you. So once I click, see, I have this, and this gets highlighted. So once more, if I do this, that is there. Once more, it just pops up It's something like Instagram has this. So yeah, I guess this is it for the video, and thank you for watching till now. And do subscribe to my channel, subscribe, share it with your designer friends. Do like, give me comments, give me feedback where I can improve on. So yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching.